Hello guys, DevOps interview questions. Explain a real CI/CD pipeline you have worked on. A typical real-world CI/CD pipeline includes flow, build stage, run unit test, and continuous delivery stage. In flow, developer pushes code to Git, GitHub, or GitLab. Continuous integration tool Jenkins triggers build automatically. Build stage, compile code, run unit test, Docker image is created, image pushed to Docker Hub or ECR. Continuous deployment stage, deploy to Kubernetes cluster, monitoring tools, check performance. If a developer commits a bug, pipeline fails at test stage, prevents bad code from deployment. Key benefits of it, fully automated, fast, reliable delivery. What happens when a build fails in Jenkins? When a build fails, pipeline stops execution, notification sent via email or Slack, troubleshooting steps, check console logs, identify failure stage, build, test, deploy, fix code or configuration, re-trigger pipeline. Common reasons can be syntax error, dependency issues, test failure. Difference between stateful and stateless applications. Stateless have don't have any data store between requests. Stateful maintains sessions and data. Stateless means REST APIs. Stateful means databases. In Kubernetes, deployments are stateless. Stateful sets are stateful. What is Kubernetes pod lifecycle? Pod lifecycle stages are pending, running, succeeded, failed, unknown. Pending means pod created, running containers active, succeeded, completed successfully, failed, error occurred, unknown, status not known. Kubernetes restarts failed pods automatically. It is self-healing. What is Kubernetes? Helm. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. Its components are charts, values.yml. In charts, package of YML files. Values.yml means configuration. It benefits simplifies deployment of complex apps. How do you handle secrets in DevOps? Secrets must be securely stored. Methods can be Kubernetes secrets, AWS secrets manager, HashiCorp vault. Best practices can never store secrets in code, use encryption, rotate keys regularly. What is rolling deployment? Gradually replaces old version with new version. Steps are deploy new pods, remove old pods slowly. Its benefit is zero downtime. Difference between horizontal and vertical scaling. Horizontal scaling means add more machines. Vertical scaling means increase CPU, RAM. Horizontal scaling is preferred. It is cloud native. What is the load balancer in AWS? Distributes incoming traffic across server. Its types are application load balancer. It is at layer 7. Network load balancer. It is at layer 4. Its benefit high availability. What is Terraform state? Terraform state file stores infrastructure details, resource mapping. Why it is important? It tracks changes, avoids duplication. Its best practice is to store state remotely S3 with it locking. What is immutable infrastructure? Instead of updating servers, replace them with new ones. Example, deploy new Docker container instead of updating old. Benefit, consistency, no configuration drift. What is drift in DevOps? When actual infrastructure is not equal to defined configuration. Example, manual change in server not reflected in infrastructure as code. Solution, use Terraform, Ansible regularly, enforce automation. What is observability? Ability to understand system using logs, matrices, traces. Tools can be used. Prometheus for matrices, Grafana for visualization, Jagger for tracing. Explain zero downtime deployment. Deploy updates without interrupting users. Methods, blue green, rolling deployment, canary. Example, e-commerce app updates without users noticing. What is rate limiting? Limits number of requests per user. It prevents DDoS attacks, server overload. Example, API allows 100 requests per minute. What is API gateway? Entry point for all client requests. Function, routing, authentication, rate limiting. Example, AWS API gateway. What is service mesh? It manages communication between microservices. Its feature traffic control, security, observability. Tools can be Istio linked. What is CI/CD security? Securing pipeline from vulnerabilities. Steps are code scanning with SAST, dependency scanning, container scanning. Tools SonarQube, Trivi. Explain Docker networking. Docker supports bridge network, which is a default one, then host network, then overlay network for clusters. Example, containers communicate using internal IP. How do you design a highly available system? Key principles, redundancy, load balancing, auto scaling, failover mechanism, monitoring. Example architecture, load balancer, multiple app servers, database cluster. Its result, no single point of failure. Thank you.